Hey guys, it's me, Crazy Honda Chris at Randy Kuehl Honda in Cedar Rapids, Iowa. In this video, I'll show you how to put your vehicle into car wash mode for those that have the push button shifter. All right, because there are some car washes out there. You have to put the vehicle into neutral, jump out, it goes on the belt, it gets fed through the whole process of the car wash. So you're over there probably struggling because you put your foot down on the brake, you put it in neutral, but then we're going to open up the car door right now. Then it goes right to park. So you're like, what the heck, man? What do I do? Right? So depending on the year and model you have, there's going to be two ways to go about it. First one is you have your foot down on the brake, pushing the neutral button. You're going to hold it 5 to 10 seconds. Then you'll see it's up there. It's going to be in neutral. It's going to hold. So when you open up the car door, you're good to go. But another example is going to be the passport that we're in. Okay. So right now the vehicle's in park. Foot on the brake. I press down on neutral. You'll see this right up there again. It's going to tell you. So I'm going to press and hold neutral again for a few more seconds. And there we go. So now if I open up a car door, it stays in neutral. See, doors open, all that. We're going to go through the car wash. And once it gets all done, puts it right back in park. It's that quick and easy for car wash mode. Okay, so there's going to be two ways to go about it. Let us know down in the comments which one is your vehicle. Help out the community. Okay, guys? See you at the next video.